Hey everyone, my name is Leon and welcome to another video. I make content every single day based around video production, making money online, tutorials and business, so be sure to subscribe if that is what you're interested in. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to fix the write protected error on your camera / SD card. So without any further hesitation, let's jump into it. Right, so if you don't know what the SD card write protected error is, then basically I'm going to put some B-roll on the screen right now. It's basically where your SD card, there's a little slider, something on your SD card, like on the left or right, depending on where you look, on your SD card or how you're holding it. And there's a little slider that goes up and down. Now, if it goes down, then essentially what you do, if it's down and you put it into the actual camera, then what you're going to be greeted with when you turn the camera on, and obviously you look at the screen, it's going to show up with a SD card write protected or something along the lines of that. Now, what you can do to fix this, and well, it's basically simpler than putting your clothes on. Oh, fuck. What the fuck? So what you do is, right, the slider, slide it up, as in push it up, and then put it back in the actual camera, and you will no longer you will no longer see the write protected error. And that is how you get rid of the SD write protected error. If this video is of any value to you, then be sure to subscribe for more with the bell on. Drop a like and share the video around to boost its search rankings and help the channel grow. And if you have any questions or just general areas for me to improve on, then be sure to leave them down below or message me via Instagram or Snapchat. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Take care everyone.